Hello friends, how are you everybody? I hope well, and I also hope that you have already watched the previous video and learned a lot. So now in this video we're going to learn two codes. So let's go. So at first let's take a introduction about these codes briefly. So the first code is our p tag, and this is the tag which allows to write paragraphs in this tag. We can write any kind of big text here, like we are wanting to write a description, so we can write that in this tag. And in this video our second tag is the button tag. We everybody know about button, so I hope you are clear about these codes. So now let's write and see outputs of these codes. Write the p tag in our notepad. So I'm going to write the p tag in notepad. So p tag, write also penning and closing. So I am refreshing my laptop, and now write something in this tag, like I have written this. And now we need to save this file, so go to file, then click save, and now come to browser, then click refresh. Then we are watching, you can see that our text has been come here. So, and now we're going to write the second tag, which is our button tag. So write this in the notepad. So I'm going to press double enter because that will be help to give a better visualize. So in this button tag, write anything you want to see as a button. If you write anything in this button text, so you can see the text as a button. I'm going to write subscribe because I need subscribe from you. Subscribe. And now we need to save this file. So save like previous. Come to our browser, then click on the refresh. Then you are watching this. Our button has come here. And now I hope you all have already understood these codes. And if you want to get these codes, so check the description and click on the first link to get these codes. And bye for this day. So subscribe this small channel to get more coding videos every day, every time.